One of the dips that we regularly make and serve when we have a barbecue came from this book. It's a W.H. Smith book that we had for many years, probably since before we actually came to Mallorca. And inside this book there's a dip that's based on mango chutney. Actually, the title in the book is Cream Cheese Dip with Olives. And we've changed it a little bit over the years because Anita's not so keen on olives, so I don't put the olives in and no longer use the mango chutney that was suggested. So this is a little bit of a variation on that particular recipe. So our recipe that we use is a little bit different from the original. I've changed some of the ingredients, so instead of using mango chutney, I use original Branston pickle. Sometimes actually there's another type of Branston pickle you can get where the chunks are a little bit finer, and that works really well too. And I use Philadelphia. We get Colman's mustard here, so that's perfect. And a curry powder. There's all sorts of different curry powders I know, so this one's just one from the local supermarket. And some cream. So that's all it is. And again, the amounts you use, well, it's got it in the recipe, but basically I will use all of the Philadelphia cheese, and then I'll mix in with it the Branston pickle, probably 2 or 3 dessert spoons, probably about a spoonful of the teaspoonful, that is, of Colman mustard, and a similar amount maybe of the curry. But if you like it a little bit more spicy, then you can use a little bit more mustard or a little bit more curry powder and just work it to your own taste. The cream is there to adjust the consistency because we're making a dip, so we want it to be dip consistency. So let's just get these things together and let's put them into the bowl, get them all mixed up, and you can see what it looks like. First thing into the bowl is the Philadelphia cheese, and I'm just going to put all of that in. So all of the Philadelphia cheese is and I know there are different types of Philadelphia cheese that you can get now, so you just choose the one that you like. The Branston pickle, so I'm going to put a few spoonfuls. I think when I look at it I need a little bit more, so there's 3 spoonfuls. If I need some more I'll pop that in. So just a bit of a mix. We're going to add a spoon of the Colman's mustard, and I like it quite spicy, so I'm using quite a nice big spoonful there. Again, if you like it a little bit more spicy, add a little bit more. And similarly with the curry powder, if you like it's particularly spicy, then add a little bit more curry powder. I do like my spicy food. So now we've got that in there, it's going to be kind of difficult to mix up because it's all going to be a bit too thick. So that's where the cream comes in, and the cream is used to make it a little bit better consistency for the dip. So a bit of a whisk up here. And we'll serve this usually with carrots or celery, which we'll cut into strips. So just got some there just ready to show you. If you don't know what carrots and celery are, I think there we go, that's what carrots and celery. So those carrots and celery will actually be cut up into smaller strips. They won't serve them like that. But basically that's it. Again, it's better if you chill this, so before you serve it, put it into the fridge, cover it with some film. We tend to transfer it to some smaller bowls. Make sure it's all nice and smooth, and that's the sort of texture you want for a dip. Okay, if you want it a little bit more runny, just add a little bit more cream. So there's the bowl. I'll just I've got 3 nice little bowls there, which we can use to serve at a dinner party or a barbecue. Thanks for watching. I'm sure they're going to be absolutely delicious, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.